In any case, you see, you watch the principle. Like I said, my job, as I see it metaphorically, in one sense, is not to tell you what to do or how to be, except sometimes I will, but that's a different matter. See, but to show you the knobs. See, you listen to whatever music you want to listen to at whatever volume you want. You see, that's up to you when you leave. You see what I'm saying? Because that's going to be up to you anyway. Do you understand? No matter what I do, I mean, it's like perhaps, maybe I could roll you in some kind of fantasy, probably could, and some system that you become attached to. Yeah, I guess. But I wouldn't do it. You see what I'm saying? And people do that. Almost every spiritual path does that. And they go, okay, now you got to do this, and every day you got to do like that, and you got to eat like this, and only eat this stuff, and blah, 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 and, cut your hair a certain way, and carry the beads, or whatever it is, And it's like, be this way. Ha! As if that has anything to do with the truth, you see, and it doesn't, has nothing to do with it. It's a nice fantasy, maybe, Maybe you live better, you're happier with your life because you got somebody telling you what to do, which people really do like. They say they don't, but they do. And, forming an image, a nice one, a good one, say, good fantasy. What the hell? It's probably going to be better than the fantasy you're living now, that you think of as real. See? And it might be better. But still, in any case, you see, when you leave here, you're going to make the decisions, You want to stop being a Hare Krishna or whatever, you'll stop being a Hare Krishna, won't you? And you'll become whatever, you become. You're the same mediocre person you've always been or whatever. Same angry person, same whatever, So you'll do that. So my job, as I see it, is not to tell you what to do when you leave. My job is to show you how the knobs work on the radio, metaphorically speaking. There's a lot more to it, but and then you decide how to relate to it. Of course, one of the knobs is the off button. You should learn how to do that one too. Have some enlightenment experiences.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.